Good morning, guys. Welcome back to a what I eat in a day video. So I just filled up my big tumbler here from Starbucks with purified water or filtered water. And now I'm about to make my coffee. Hazelnut. And we'll get the day started, guys. These are the only supplement that I take in the morning since our Fuelings already have them in there. This is Collagen Booster, and I buy this at Vitamin Shop, and I believe Amazon sells it. It's by Reserve Age. I think it stands for Reserve Age. I don't know if I'm even saying it right, but Collagen Booster. There's no carbs, there's no sugar, and I take 2 of these every morning. Oh yes, she's ready. All right, so I'm gonna put in a squirt of this stevia liquid, a tablespoon of 0 sugar hazelnut creamer, and I'm gonna go sit and have my coffee, my water, and get under the blanket because it's chilly this morning.
Guys, I literally just ate a chocolate chip cookie for Fueling number 1 and forgot to film it because I was on a call. I'm so sorry. So Fueling number 1 was the chocolate chip cookie with my coffee, and I have to tell you, that was really good. It's fun just mixing things up. The other day I had the mac and cheese for breakfast. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw that. And it was really good. And I've been like zoning in on the hot Fuelings, the chili, the tomato herb pasta, the mac and cheese, because it's been quite cold here. And today it's chilly, but not like freezing to death. So it's a nice little change. We had some rain last night. I don't know. So I'm out walking the dogs, getting in some steps, and I have on, check it out, Halloween leggings and my Uggs because I'm just in that mood. We are now currently, once again, 100% fully working from home. So it's so easy to wear a nice shirt when you have a Zoom, and Halloween leggings if you want to. That's so funny. So trying to get in some outdoor activity today, and like I said, going for a walk with the doggies and breathing in the air feels so good, just to like rejuvenate, and I don't know, it's like a little bit invigorating when it's so chilly. So all right, guys, I'm gonna walk these girls, get back home, and I'll see you when we get back home. I don't know if you guys remember, if you've been following me for quite a while, this house actually burnt down. We had a really bad house fire on the street behind me, and they just redid it. How pretty does that look? Right, Pez? So we're at Fueling number 2, and I decided to make a caramel macchiato shake with some decaf hazelnut coffee. So this has been sitting out on my counter for about 45 minutes. It's cooled off right now, so I'm gonna make a shake out of this, some ice, and this, and we're gonna do a taste test. All right, so as you can see with my NutriBullet cup, I have filled the ice pretty much up to the max fill line here, and now I'm gonna add the coffee to bring it to the ice level. Maybe a little more. There we go. And I just spilled a little bit, so I am like neat freak central. All right, so we're gonna add in the caramel macchiato. I don't recall ever doing this with flavored coffee like this. Maybe I did, I don't remember doing it, but anyway, we're gonna try it out today because I'm just kind of in the mood. All right, so we're gonna put the NutriBullet lid on top, blend it up, put it on the NutriBullet base, and here we go. Well, it looks pretty good, so let's open up the straw. Let's do my straw test. Guys, if you make a shake and do the straw test where you drop it in the center of the shake and it stands up like this, and you're on Instagram, post it and tag me in it so I can see it because I just think it's so awesome. I want to start a hashtag called the straw test. All right, let's try this sucker out and see how it is. Okay, here we go. Wow, not bad. Actually, not bad at all. This is really good. So caramel macchiato shake with some decaf hazelnut coffee. It's a great way to get your coffee in without extra creamer. This might be an option in the morning for fueling number 1 if you're trying to cut back on creamer. All right, fueling number 2. So we are at fueling number 3, and I'm gonna have the drizzled chocolate fudge bar. I'm in my car heading to Trader Joe's to pick up more fish because I am craving it. And number 2, I am trying to eat my leanest of lean protein this week because I'm trying to get off a couple of pounds, and perimenopause has been making it very difficult. I seem to be going up and down, up and down, up and down. Very frustrating. But I notice when I eat fish, specifically white fish like tilapia, flounder, cod, those things, and keep my veggies very light like the bok choy, things like that, the weight drops. So I'm trying to focus on that this week and see how we do. So let's go to Trader Joe's. I'm going to eat this. I have my big tumbler with me of water, and we're off. Hey guys, I just came back from Trader Joe's. I went a little hog wild. Oh my God. I got 10 boxes of hearts of palm. Okay, here's what happened. They were literally putting them out on the shelves and people were flocking. I swear it was like, excuse the French, but it was like flies on shit. People were running to pick this up. And when I tell you, one lady, it was like supermarket sweep. Throwing them in the cart, throwing them in the cart. I'm like, Brittany. So we like grabbed as much as we could and ran. And then we get to the register and the guy's like, are you allowed to buy that many? And I said, there was no sign. He's like, okay. Off we went. 10 boxes of hearts of palm. If that is not a score, I don't know what is. I also grabbed the red Argentinian shrimp that I love. Pack of sea scallops. I got 2 tilapias. Another box of mahi burgers. Guys, if you haven't tried those, try them. They're so good. And 4 bags of, here it is, the bok choy, baby bok choy. Such a great green. It's the least carbohydrate green that I could find. So I'm going to go put my groceries away. It's 5 minutes till my next fueling, so I'm going to do this quickly, and I'll be back and show you what I'm having. Lean and green time. We got 7 ounces of the red Argentinian shrimp and the bok choy sauteed in some olive oil cooking spray. For my good fat, I put a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil on it, and I'm going to eat. See you soon. Hey guys, all right, so we're at fueling number 5, and I made pudding earlier. It's been in the fridge. It's going down. I'm hungry. The shrimp and bok choy was delicious, but it's not very filling, so just so you know. So eat that on a day where you're not so hungry. All right, so I'm gonna go have that, probably make myself a cup of tea with fueling number 6, and I'll see you in 2 hours. All right, guys, so we are winding down the night with a brownie and a cup of decaf coffee. And that is my day for today. Tomorrow will be a better one. Today was a little boring, I know. It's just, I had so much work to do today. I never even put makeup on. What a crazy day. But it was still successful. Stayed on plan. Didn't deviate. That's the name of the game. So let's all do this together. As always, we can do this. Yes, we can. As long as we do it together. I'll see you all in my next video. Have a great night, guys.